Hey there, all you great people. This is Randy Wild Horse, and I'm in Forest Lake, Minnesota, showing you the car. Oops. Yeah, I know. Keep the camera straight. I know. Try to anyway. You know those nice trucks out there, eh? I like to go in there and show you, but they have camera surveillance, so they'll throw me out. So it's the best I can do for you. Hey, got a lot of vehicles at Forest Lake Chevrolet. Look at it. Wow. Those trucks. See, there's the sign right here. 24-hour surveillance, recorder and videotape. They're taping me right now as I'm doing this. Wish I could go on the property, but they'll kick me out. Unless I want to buy a vehicle. Unless I win the lottery, I doubt it. Whoops. A lot of traffic around here, I'll tell you. Look at a Hemi Ram. Oh, man. Look at these Hemi Rams here. Look how many of them are there. I haven't seen so many Hemi. No, that's a regular Ram. Oh, no. Yeah, that's a regular Ram. There's a Hemi Ram. Well, I haven't seen so many Hemi Rams in one place in my life. Are you looking for a Hemi Ram? Oh yeah, right now instead of Chevrolet there, I'm at Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and that's where the Ram trucks are right here. Horse fan. That white one. Ooh. Others. Chrysler Forest Lake Jeep there. Look at all those Hemi Rams. Have you seen so many in your life, Wild Horse fans? As you Dodge fans are saying, oh, I want one. Where can I get one, y'all say? Well, there you are. Forest Lake Jeep and Ram. Well, there's a lot of traffic for a side road. Whoop. cars are almost ran over by that truck. Yeah, I did. Just kidding. I wouldn't want to get hit by that truck. Not me. Not me. Look at all those Jeeps. Jeep fans. Here's Dice Castle, the fish houses. Oh, see? There's a nice blue one there. Wow. This is in Forest Lake, as you know. It's open. The Fish House Toy Hauler. Look. I know a lot of you wild horse fans like the color black. I like the blue one myself, but that's up to a person's taste. Look at that. Well, I can do a close-up from here. I can't really go on the property. This is the best I can do for you. That'll be it for Forest Lake, Minnesota, as well as the dealerships and the vehicles. So this is Randy Wild Horse, and as always, have a super pleasant day.